hard to get started. Hey, what's up, everyone? Try again. I know. Hey, what's up, you guys? Shane Dawson here. So. You look oily. This is... I put this makeup on at 5 o'clock this morning.
Yeah, you should probably disclaim that because you're looking off all time today.
I will. What time is it right now?
8:30.
So you're looking at 16-hour makeup. Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Noelle. We're going to go ahead and jump into the... What month are we in? July 2018 Boxycharm video. I know I posted a couple of these not too long ago, but they are monthly, so let's keep that rolling. If you guys don't know anything about Boxycharm, it is $21 a month. You get typically 5 full-size beauty products. A couple months they'll throw in 6 beauty products. Did I say it's $21 a month? $21 a month for 5 full-size beauty products, and you do typically get some name brands, Tarte, MAC, things like that in the box. Yeah. Where do I start? Anyways, if you guys want to see what I got in my box this month, just keep watching the video. Alright guys, so this is the packaging, of course, that the Boxycharm comes in. It's just a little black box with the Boxycharm logo on it, and then your shipping address on the back. When you open up the Boxycharm, it is actually, you get this little like postcard type pamphlet thing in there, and it tells you what is in the box. Every box has a theme. This is Boxycharm Road Trippin', and then it just folds out, tells you what's in the box, how much each product was, and then sometimes you can get the coupons on the back. It does come nicely packaged. It is the like little padding thing in here, not like the little Easter basket straw thingies that they used to put in here. So there's that, and then we'll just go ahead and open this box up. So the first thing in here is the Pharmacy Bright On Massage Activated Vitamin C with Echinacea Green Envy Mask. Whatever that is, that's a mouthful. It says, delivered fresh, a vitamin C clay mask that instantly brightens and helps detox skin by removing buildup and impurities to visibly improve the appearance of skin and texture and tone. You can kind of see, I know, like a lot of the color correcting things, you know, kind of go with the green and purple. So you got like the green to get rid of your redness, the purple to brighten. I don't think that's what any of this is, but that's what it claims to do. Alright, so it is purple in the tube, but I don't want to really squirt a lot out. And it does smell like lavender. I'm not a big fan of lavender, but I will definitely give this mask a try. It is 1.7 fluid ounces, and then this product retails for $38. So there's that. So next product in the box actually fell out. This is by Note. I've actually never heard of them, but I think they sell this brand in Ulta. This is the Luminous Silk Compact Blusher in the shade Desert Rose, and this retails for $11.99. Nice packaging, though. Actually, it's kind of like big, bulky, and cheap, plasticky. So right on top, it is kind of more like a terracotta peach color. It's kind of nice, but it's more like an autumn color that I would wear. Then you flip it up and it's got one of these little crappy brushes that I think nobody uses and throws away. Swatching it though, it is a very pigmented blush. It blends out nicely, and I can kind of see how they can say it's luminous. It does have a tad bit of a sheen to it. It's actually pretty nice. I will definitely give this a fair shot also. Next thing in the box is, we'll go with this little guy. This is the Wonder Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. And this retails for $24. And I don't think I've really used mascara like this, but let's check out the wand. So it's got a nice like fiber bristle kind of wand. It's not the plastic one. It is a curved one. So usually those kind of help with like curling your lashes. Obviously with the name Volume and Curl. That's where that comes from. So that is the Wonderlust mascara. Did I say Wonderlust? Wonder Beauty mascara. Next item in the box is this Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. And I actually kind of saw this as a spoiler. So you get an angled brush on one end, and then on the other end, this screws off, and it's kind of like a pomade in there in the other end. I have not used this, so I'm kind of curious. It's definitely a neutral color. I don't really like the brush on it though. It's kind of actually of a thicker angled brush, but it is nice, I guess. But I just don't like this brush. Maybe if the brush was a little bit thinner. So this product, the Cella Beauty Eyebrow Cream, goes for $26. It says, add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency. I cannot talk. It's been a long day. And built-in brush. The velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, giving you the perfect brows that will last all day and night. $26 for the Cella Eyebrow Cream. And then the last item in the box is this guy. It is an eyeshadow palette. Now this month they were like, usually get like one big item in the box. Most people will get all the same one big item, or sometimes there's two variations on that. This month it was either this palette, the Crown Pro Fuego eyeshadow collection. It retails for $29.99, or the other option was a Tarte finishing spray. So this is just the packaging. Now I know Crown brushes are good, but I don't think I've ever used their eyeshadows. When you open up the eyeshadow palette, it's kind of all those nice warm neutrally orange brown colors, kind of like the Tarte Toasted Cinnamon, not Toasted Cinnamon, Tarte Toasted or the Urban Decay Heat palette. You get this lovely little plastic piece in there, and actually a pretty nice mirror in there. We have 5 mattes and 5 shimmers. Go ahead, they're actually really soft. I'll go ahead and swatch a couple of them for you. Pretty pigmented, probably not some of the best eyeshadows, but definitely not some of the worst eyeshadows I think I've used. So there's those swatched. Now, I don't know how they'll blend out, because obviously things blend out differently with a brush, but they're pretty nice. I would definitely use this probably tomorrow to do a look. Let me get some of the shimmers on here just to see how the shimmers are. So I'm going to go in with this pink kind of shimmer here. Ooh. It's pretty chalky, and it's not very foiled. It's more of a satin finish, not a shimmer or a foiled finish. But this is a nice eyeshadow palette, and it retails again for $29.99. Alright guys, so that's everything I got in my July Boxycharm. If you guys want to see more videos like this, obviously there's a bunch down below. Click on some of those. But if you guys want to see more of these videos, hit like, hit subscribe, and we'll keep the videos coming, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.